Welcome to day 14 of Becoming a Solutions Architect in 60 Days Challenge. So today we are going to talk about a Bastion host. A Bastion host, also called a jump box, is an instance in a public subnet that allows you to securely access instances in a private subnet. So the Bastion host has a public IP and is accessible from the internet. Once connected, you can use the Bastion host to SSH into a private instance. Why do we use a Bastion host instead of a direct public IP? Because it is more secure. You can avoid exposing private instances to the internet. It's tighter. It has a tighter access control, as security groups can restrict SSH access to only the Bastion. And lastly, it's easier login. You can monitor and control all SSH access through a single entry point. So let's configure a Bastion host and a private instance. 1. You create a VPC with 2 subnets. Go to the AWS console, search for VPC dashboard, click Create VPC, name it My VPC. Select CIDR block 10.0.0.0/16. Click Create Subnet and create. The public subnet 10.0.1.0/24 with auto-assigned public IP enabled. And then the private subnet with 10.0.2.0/24 without auto-assigned public IP enabled. Now, create an internet gateway for the public subnet. Let's go to the VPC dashboard again. Select Internet Gateways. Click Create Internet Gateway. Name it My Internet Gateway, and then attach it to my VPC. Next is to modify the route tables. Go to route tables and then select the public subnet route table. Add a route 0.0.0.0/0 to my internet gateway. Verify that the private subnet route table has no internet gateway route. Now, launch the Bastion host. That's the public subnet. Go to the EC2 dashboard. Click on Launch Instance. Choose Amazon Linux 2023. Instance type T2 Micro. Select public subnet 10.0.1.0/24. Enable auto-assigned public IP. And then security groups. Allow SSH, that is port 22, from your IP only. And then click Launch. Now, connect to the private instances via the Bastion host as well. So, enter the command displayed on the screen on the terminal, either your VS Code or command prompts. The first command is for the public IP, connection for the public IP, and then you can enter the second command here into the terminal for the private instances. Now, public subnets have an internet gateway and allow internet access. Private subnets do not have an internet gateway and cannot access the internet directly. Bastion hosts provide a secure way to access private instances. So use security groups to restrict SSH access and avoid 0.0.0.0/0 for production. Use Session Manager instead of SSH for better security.